How to predict football games accurately, part 1. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to predict football games accurately using the dream code. I'm going to show you how you can do it. It's very easy, but you just need to practice it. The more you practice, the better you become. So I'm going to show you the simplest form on how to do it. So you can see this screenshot of this game I gave to this guy. I gave him this guy, he won the game. You can see how was I able to do it. This is how you can do it. Let's take, for example, you want to, let's say Arsenal and Chelsea is about to play, and the game is tomorrow. The game is tomorrow, and you want to predict the game. Now, this is how you can do it. For at first, you might not get the scores, but you will see who is going to win the match. You might not get the scores. You might not get the scores because you are just starting it, but you're going to see who is going to win the match. Get it? So the more you do it, the more you become better at it. That you start seeing the scores. So this is it. Let's say Arsenal and Man U wants to play tomorrow. Now, this is what you do using the dream code. So before you go to bed at night, you just keep thinking about Arsenal and Man U. You just keep the two games. You will be saying in your mind who is going to win between Arsenal and Man U. You just keep repeating it in your mind. Keep repeating it in your mind till you fall asleep. What you are trying to do, you are trying to program your subconscious mind to tap into the realms of where this game, this football match, you know, the spiritual controls the physical. So before any game is being played, before any football match is being played, that has been played in the realms of the spirit. So in the realms of the spirit, sorry. So all you are doing is to program your mind to take you to that realm where you will see who is going to win the match. At the moment you get to that realm, you'll be able to see. Okay, so in your vision, so what you're going to do is number one, you take the two football clubs. You take the two football clubs, Arsenal, Man U, and you keep thinking about it. You keep saying who is going to win between Arsenal and Man U. You keep saying it. You keep saying it in your mind till you fall asleep. You will say it till you fall asleep. You will sleep off with that thing in your mind. You will sleep off with that thing in your mind. So the moment you keep saying it, till you sleep off, in your dream you will see it. Because why? You've programmed your mind to dream about it. You've programmed your mind to dream about it. So that's how you're going to do it. So you're going to do it. The more you practice it, the more better you become at it. So I'm not just telling you that if you do it now, you're going to get the result immediately. If the more you do it, the more you get better at it. So you can just try it. That's not mine. You're going to start thinking about it before you go to bed and sleep. You can do it like 1 hour, 2 hours before you go to bed. Make sure you do it. So if you put enough time, if you do like 3 hours, you meditate on it for 3 hours, then you fall asleep with that consciousness who is going to win the match. I bet you're going to dream about the game and you're going to see who is going to win. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment below. If you have any question about football games, you have any question about the prophetic, message me on my number, and also get my prophetic course on how to get accurate details about people, football matches, and everything. You discover that you become the best at it. I've done it several times and I can do it again. So do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. God bless you for watching this video.